So guys, recently the Ministry of Education has released the Performance Grading Index 2.0, which is a combined report of 2023-24 and 2022-23. Let's try to sum up the important findings of this report within the next 2 minutes here. First of all, let's try to understand what are the important parameters, or if I talk about domains of this report. So in total we have 6 domains which are defined in 2 categories. These are outcomes में कौन से हैं, learning outcome and quality, access, infrastructure and equity. Then you have governance and management, जहाँ पे आते हैं governance processes, and then you have teacher education and training here. In terms of, if I talk about which indicator has the highest weightage or highest number of sub indicators here, so these domains have sub indicators. Now maximum number of indicators are in equity, and it consists of the highest weightage also, that is of 260 marks. Then minimum number of indicators are with access, and it has a minimum weightage that is of 80 marks here. In total we have 73 indicators, which is consisting of 1000 marks here. Now if I talk about here how the states will be categorized or how they will be ranked here. So this is the grading they have given here. For example, if you are scoring more than 940, you will be under Daksh category. 880 Utkarsh, Ati Uttam, Uttam. Then you have Pracheshta 1, 2 and 3, and then we have Akanshi 1, 2 and 3, which means Akanshi 3 is the lowest one and Daksh is the upper one here. Now in terms of states and union territories, how they have performed here guys, because the data with regards to 23-24 was displayed in the report, 22-23 just a comparison was given here. Now in terms of the thing here, Chandigarh has been ranked number 1, that is under Pracheshta 1. So important point for us to understand that Daksh, Utkarsh, Ati Uttam and Uttam, we do not have any state or union territory which is among this category. Then if I talk about here, Pracheshta 3 has 10 states or union territories. Akanshi has the maximum number of state and union territories, Akanshi 1, that is 14 here. Then at bottom it is Meghalaya, which is at the bottom in terms of Akanshi 3 here. So this is the important finding of this report here, okay ji, that you must remember if you are preparing for your examination, be it regulatory bodies examination or be it your banking examination. To know more about this report guys, okay, please subscribe to the YouTube channels of EduTap so that you can get the whole information here. And then the most important thing, if you want to comprehend your preparation guys, what you guys can do is you guys can subscribe to the courses that we are offering you on the EduTap here. उसके लिए आप हमारी वेबसाइट www.edutap.in पे भी जा सकते हैं, या फिर आप हमारे EduTap प्ले स्टोर से भी जाके उन कोर्सेज के बारे में जानकारी ले सकते हैं. And to get more such contents, I would again say do subscribe to the channel, and I will meet you now in the next video. Till then, keep working hard, keep preparing hard. Bye bye.